The main reason caulk fails in shower and tub joints is poor preparation and application that leaves residue or moisture at the joint. For reliable tub and shower caulking, start by removing old caulk completely using a plastic scraper and a caulk remover gel. Then clean the joint with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry for at least 24 hours if possible. Choose a high-quality silicone or silicone blend formulated for bathrooms that resists mold and stays flexible. Read the label for bathroom or wet area use rather than general purpose. Cut the cartridge tip to the correct size so the bead fits the joint width, and apply steady pressure with a caulk gun while moving at a consistent speed to lay a uniform bead. Smooth the bead with a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool within the manufacturer cure window to ensure good contact and remove trapped air. Avoid using latex caulk in areas that receive constant water exposure because it will break down faster than silicone-based products. After tooling, keep the area dry and ventilated for the full cure period stated on the tube, which is often 24 to 48 hours, to prevent early exposure to water that will trap moisture and cause failure. 3 common mistakes are leaving residue or dampness in the joint, using a low quality or wrong type of caulk, and applying an inconsistent or inadequate bead. If residue or moisture is present, clean and dry the joint thoroughly and wait until no dampness remains before caulking. If the wrong product was chosen, replace it with a bathroom-rated silicone or silicone blend designed for continuous wet conditions. If the bead is too thin, uneven, or has voids, remove and reapply with a correctly sized tip and steady gun technique. Tooling while still wet to ensure full contact along the joint. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners and contractors around projects like bathroom recaulking and wider remodels. We help homeowners find local pros and contractors find work, and we host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and compare products and techniques.